हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट केमिकल रिएक्शंस है जो आपको एग्जाम से पहले जरूर रिवाइज कर लेना चाहिए। तो सबसे पहला इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन है आपका एस्टरिफिकेशन रिएक्शन। द रिएक्शन ऑफ इथेनॉइक एसिड विथ अल्कोहल इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ concentrate H2SO4 that gives a sweet smelling substance which is known as esters, and this reaction is known as esterification reaction. The formula of ethanoic acid, that is CH3COOH, is added with C2H5OH, which is ethanol. Then the catalyst H2SO4 is added. Then it gives CH3COOC2H5, which is known as ethyl ethanoate or ester, plus H2O. Second important reaction is saponification reaction. A reaction of ester with sodium hydroxide gives alcohol and sodium salt of carboxylic acid, which is known as soap. And this reaction is known as saponification reaction. The formula is CH3COOC2H5. Then NaOH is added with some H2SO4 as catalyst. Then it gives to ethanol and sodium ethanoate CH3COONA, which is the soap. Next reaction is combustion reaction. The complete combustion of carbon compounds that gives carbon dioxide, water, heat and light. Okay. As we burn ethanol in presence of oxygen, then it gives carbon dioxide, water, heat and light. This is the saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon burn with sufficient supply of oxygen, then it gives blue flame. But when unsaturated, that burns, it always burn with yellow flame. The third is addition reaction. The addition of hydrogen with unsaturated hydrocarbon in the presence of some catalysts like nickel, platinum or palladium, that gives a saturated hydrocarbon. Some example is here. When ethene is added with hydrogen with catalyst nickel, then it gives to ethane. This is also known as hydrogenation addition reaction. Substitution reaction, a replacement of one or more hydrogen atom of an organic molecule by another atom or group of atom, that is known as substitution reaction. In this reaction, methane and chlorine is added in sunlight, then it gives rise to chloromethane, CH3Cl and HCl. Here one hydrogen of methane is replaced with chlorine. Next, photo decomposition reaction. When silver chloride is put in sunlight, then it decomposes to silver metal and chlorine gas. Displacement reaction. When zinc react with hydrochloric acid, it gives hydrogen gas and zinc chloride. Double displacement reaction. When the barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate, then white color precipitate barium sulfate is formed along with sodium chloride. Next, precipitate reaction. The reaction in which precipitate is formed by the mixing of aqueous solution of two salt, that is called precipitate reaction. Here silver nitrate AgNO3 is added with sodium chloride, or gives rise to silver chloride precipitate AgCl and sodium nitrate. Next important, rusting. When iron react with oxygen and moisture, that forms a red flaky substance which is known as rust. This is the reaction. 4Fe3O2 plus H2 that gives rise to 2Fe2O3 dot XH2O. This is known as hydrated ferric oxide. Next, corrosion of copper. Copper objects lose their luster and shyness after some time because a coating is formed on it, green color coating, that is known as copper carbonate.